In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use basic time tracking in QuickBooks Online. If you need a simple way to record work hours inside QuickBooks Online, the built-in time tracking tools can help you stay organized and keep accurate records. This is especially useful if you want to track time spent on tasks, projects, or client work without leaving the platform. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the main navigation area. From there, go to All Apps, then select Time and choose Time Entries. This section is where you can view and manage the time that has been recorded. If you're new to this page, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you know where your entries will appear after they're saved. Once you're in Time Entries, click Add Time. This is the option you'll use whenever you want to create a new time record. QuickBooks Online gives you the ability to log time in two basic ways, depending on how you prefer to track your work. You can either enter a duration manually if you already know how much time was spent, or you can use specific start and end times if you want a more exact record of when the work began and finished. When entering time manually, make sure the total duration is accurate and reflects the actual amount of work completed. If you're using start and end times instead, double-check that both times are correct before saving, since even a small mistake can affect your records. Choosing the right method really depends on how detailed you want your tracking to be and how you normally record your workday. As you fill out the time entry, be as consistent as possible with the information you enter. Clear, accurate time records are much easier to review later, especially if you're using them for reporting, internal tracking, or billing support. Even with basic time tracking, consistency makes a big difference. After everything looks correct, save the time entry. It should then appear in your list of recorded time, where you can review it as needed. If something doesn't look right, you can go back to the time entries area and check your details. That's all it takes to use basic time tracking in QuickBooks Online. Once you know where to go and how to add time, the process becomes quick and easy, making it much simpler to keep your hours organized and up to date.